There was no rail line before. There's the city walls, the fort, the old walls surrounded by water, seawater. Now there's a barrier. There's a seawall here to hold the sea back, or at least the estuaries back. Extremely sad to see the deprivation of these estuaries. Highly built up areas are breaking up the eco barriers, and the islands are breaking away for sure. And of course, they're trying to protect the islands by bringing in sand from different parts of the coastline that is further deteriorating and breaking up of the ecosystem that is here. The more we touch, the more and severe impact it'll cause on the very dynamic ecosystem that we have here. I was just down at Donana National Park. There's hardly a bird or hardly any natural life at all left. That was over in the Spanish southern coast. And this morning I woke up so early and to find absolutely nothing there. No bird life whatsoever. And it's in the middle of the peak of their migration. There's hardly anything about. No one seems to realize this fact. And it's a sad prospect for all of us very soon. It's not more than, the speedboats are bringing in waves that are unnatural to the reef, unnatural to this estuary. They're going in and out all of the time at low tide, and that breaks off more and more, cause more and more harm to the very edges of this estuary. Before too long, one of the most live estuaries on the planet will be dead. And that's thanks to the very money and the very economic model that we have created on the planet. We will sink together with it. It's a shame that children of the future will have no understanding about what nature was, and will have absolutely no idea about the ecosystem or how to balance it, because all they will find is plastic. Plastic, graffiti, drugs, alcohol, and cigarettes.